We first met on the street corner, and I was tearing up the tar. You were the Mohawk gypsy, turning fortunes from tarot cards. It wasn't long before you fell for my songs and my guitars. And one hot summer afternoon we found sunshine in my secondhand car. We turned the radio loud, and I Got You Babe was playing. Then the weatherman, he warned us our blue skies would be graying. But we started driving in the rain, and the winds kicked like a hurricane, and our love song played a sad refrain. We kept on driving in the rain. We got lost in a seaside motel where vacant dreams meet secret doubts. The Ocala winds chased us in the night and kept us stumbling to find a way out. We twisted and we turned, sought comfort in the storm's eye, but in the end we wound up fumbling down some highway to separate lives. And now we're always driving in the rain, and every day's another hurricane, and our love song is a sad refrain. We're always driving in the rain. We twisted and we turned, sought comfort in the storm's eye, but in the end wound up tumbling down that highway to separate lives. And now we're always driving in the rain, and every day's another hurricane, and our love song is a sad refrain. Now we're always driving, I'm so tired of driving.